Hello friends, Namaste. I am Rahul. Welcome to again join with me on online lecture. Today I am going to teach some questions which are related to the physics. Okay, let's start. The topic name is units and measurement. Here the topic name is units and measurement. Okay, this is the name of topic. Okay, let first of all, starting from the definition of units. What is the units? Yes, the units are standards for measurement of any physical quantity. That means any physical quantity always mentioned with its particular units. Okay, and we all know all physical quantities have a certain relation to each other. That means we can convert the unit of a particular physical quantity to another unit. But note that, keep in mind that the dimension of a certain physical quantity never change. The dimension of that particular physical quantity never change. Okay? Yes, the units of a fundamental physical quantity or basic physical quantity are known as fundamental units or basic units. Okay, that's why all physical quantities denotes in terms of these fundamental units. Okay, let's go ahead. The international system of units. Okay, let's go ahead. The international system of units. International system of units. Okay. Before few years, the different scientists were used the different units for measurement. That means they were used different unit systems like that CGS, MKS, FPS. Okay, I write here CGS, then MKS, then FPS. Okay, these three physical quantities or these three unit system consist of fundamental physical quantities like mass, length and time, M and T. Okay, here CGS is nothing but C for centimeter. Here G means gram and S for second. Okay, similarly MKS, M for mass, K means kilogram and S means second. Similarly for FPS, F means foot, P means pound and S means second. Okay. But nowadays we use international system, that is nothing but the SI unit system. Okay, SI unit system international. Okay, I write here SI unit system international. Here SI unit system. Okay, this SI unit system accepted by international level. Okay, now this unit system consists some fundamental quantities. Okay, now I write mention that physical quantities here consist in case of SI unit system. In case of SI unit system. Okay, first one is here I write the physical quantity. And here I write unit. Okay, now starting from first one is the length. And now we all are know the unit of length is nothing but meter, and it is denoted by small m. Okay. Then next one is mass, and unit of this physical quantity is kilogram, and it is denoted by kg. Then next one is time. Here, and the unit of this physical quantity is second. It is denoted by s. Okay. Then next one is electric current. Okay. Yes, and unit of this physical quantity is ampere, and it is denoted by A. Okay. Here we all are know ampere is nothing but the name of scientist. Okay. Then next one is thermodynamic temperature. Yes, and unit of this thermodynamic temperature have a Kelvin, and it is denoted by K. Okay. Then go ahead. Next one is yes, the amount of substance. Amount of substance. Okay. In Gujarati we say દ્રવ્યનો જથ્થો. Okay. Yes, the amount of substance in Gujarati we say દ્રવ્યનો જથ્થો. Here, and unit of these physical quantities have a mole. Okay, and it is denoted by mole. Okay. Then next one and last one is luminous intensity. Luminous intensity, and in Gujarati we say jyoti tivrata. Okay, luminous intensity. Yes, and the unit of this physical quantity is candela, and it is denoted by CD. Okay. Yes, keep in mind these all physical quantities and them units. Okay. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Now I am going to introduce two more physical quantities. First one is the plane angle, and second one is the solid angle. Okay. Now I am going to introduce two more physical quantities. Plane angle. First one is the plane angle. Plane angle, and it is denoted by d theta, and the unit of this physical quantity is a radian. Okay. Then second one is the solid angle. Yes, and it is denoted by d omega. It is denoted by the d omega, and the unit of these physical quantities have a steradian. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to describe these two physical quantities. Okay. Let's starting from the first. What is the plane angle? Yes. What is the plane angle? Yes, the angle which made up in case of two dimension. Let us consider I draw here one line and I draw here second line. Then the angle which made by these two lines, let us consider it is d theta. Then d theta is nothing but the plane angle. Let us consider it is the radius small r denoted by the small r. Let us consider I draw here one chart. Okay. Here I draw one chart, and let us consider here I denoted by chart as a ds. Okay. Then what is the angle? We know the angle is given by angle is equal to arc by radius. Yes. Then angle is nothing but the d theta, and arc is nothing but ds, and radius is small r, rad. Okay. Okay. What is the dimension of this physical quantity? Let us consider here. What is the unit of ds? ds is nothing but the arc, and arc have a unit length. So let us consider it has a unit meter, and we know radius small r have a radius small r is a length, so it has a unit meter. So meter cancel. So this physical quantity rectangle is dimensionless physical quantity. Okay. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Solid angle. Go ahead, solid angle. What is the solid angle? Yes, the angle which made up in case of 3 dimension. Okay, the solid angle is nothing but made up in case of 3 dimension. Okay, let us consider a football. Okay, let us consider a football. We can see the many boxes. We can see the many boxes on the surface of football. Now let us consider one boxes on the surface of football. Okay, I draw here. Let us consider one boxes on the surface of football like that. Okay, and it is, let us consider it is the center of football or origin of football. Then now I connect. Okay. Then what is the solid angle? Here the solid angle is this angle. This angle is solid angle. Okay. D omega. Now let us consider the area of this portion. The area of this portion is denoted by dA, and consider the radius of this football. Radius of this sphere is denoted by small r. Then the solid angle is nothing but the ratio of area to the square of radius. Then solid angle is given by d omega is equal to area. Area is nothing but dA and to the square of radius r square. Okay, st radian is denoted by small sr. St radian. Okay. Now what is the dimension of this physical quantity solid angle? Yes, let us consider what is the dA. dA is nothing but the area, and area have a unit of meter square because area is nothing but L into T. So area has a unit meter square. And what is the unit of r? R is a radius. Always, yes, it has a unit meter. So r square is nothing but the meter square. So meter square cancel. So solid angle is also dimension-less quantity. So keep in mind that both the physical quantities are dimension-less physical quantities. Okay. Okay. It is enough for today's lecture. Okay. Thanks.